Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 8, food and digestion. We eat different types of food throughout the day. We have fruits, we have cereals and pulses, we have meat. We cook all this in oil or butter, and don't forget sweets, as without which our meal will be incomplete. Just imagine what will happen if we don't have our breakfast or lunch for one day. At the end of the day, you will be so tired or so weak you won't feel like doing anything, not even play. Why is it so? Because we did not have our food. Food is useful to us in various different ways. How is it so? It gives us energy for all our daily activities such as studying, playing, doing household work, and dancing. Proper diet and regular exercise help in proper functioning of our internal organs. Food also keeps our body warm. Food also help our body to grow and repair damaged tissues. Some nutrients help to repair the wear and tear of our body, and it keeps our body fit, healthy and disease free. Lack of proper food and nutrients may result in us falling sick, but proper nutrients help us to grow and be healthy and strong. The food we eat contains substances that keep our body healthy. These substances are called as nutrients. Our body needs all the nutrients to remain healthy, along with water and roughage. But remember, food should be consumed in proper proportions. We can divide food into different food groups such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and water. Let us begin with our first food group, that is carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? We need carbohydrates to get quick energy, so they are called as energy giving nutrients. They are easy to digest. Wheat, rice, maize contain carbohydrate. Sugar and starches are carbohydrates. We get quick energy from bananas, potatoes, sugar and grapes. What is this? Chocolates. This is something we all love, don't we? Have you ever noticed that sometimes when you are very tired, a piece of chocolate or our good old chicky gives us instant energy? But remember, it should be consumed always in moderate amount. People who do lot of physical work such as sports person, they need lot of carbohydrates to give them sufficient energy to build up their stamina and excel in their game. Also people such as farmers, laborers and rickshaw pullers do lot of hard work and toil day and night. They also need carbohydrates in ample amount to get enough energy. But we should always maintain a balance, as if we eat very little carbohydrates, we may feel lethargic, and if we consume too much of carbohydrates, it can make us fat. Let us have a quick recap of whatever we have learned so far. Let us see. Food is essential for all the living things. Food provides us energy for our daily activities, for functioning of internal organs, to grow and repair the damaged cells, to keep our body warm, fit and healthy. Different nutrients that we should eat are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats. Carbohydrates gives us quick energy. People who do physical work need lot of carbohydrates. Remember, less carbohydrates, we feel lethargic, and more carbohydrates makes us fat. Amazing food facts. Do you know? It was believed in 1800s that ketchup had medicinal qualities that could cure diarrhea and indigestion. And dark chocolate, do you know? Dark chocolate has many health benefits from improving bad cholesterol to lowering blood pressure, helping to reduce stress and improving vision. Also, drinking hot chocolate prevents memory decline. So, drink up. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, see you next time. Bye bye.